So welcome to 2019 question B3 ordinary level DCG by Val. Right. So the graphic on the right shows a portion of a wall and some steps. Okay. Figure B3 below shows a similar structure. We have to part A, draw the elevation. Okay, of the complete structure looking in from the direction of arrow A. All right. So we have to draw what we see looking in from arrow A, and in part B we have to project the plan view. All right, from the elevation. Now we will not be able to complete the elevation without the plan view. So if I bring up the model here, okay, and this is it, the model in 3D. Okay, here's the elevation projected onto the vertical plane and the plan view projected onto the horizontal plane. Now I'll give you a look at what it looks like in elevation. So that's what it looks like in elevation. But these two lines, okay, in elevation cannot be found, okay, unless you do the plan view, unless you apply the 60-degree angle in plan. You cannot find them in elevation without them. Okay, so we'll start then on part A and B. So XY line, okay, the height of the object is 60 and 45, okay, and the total length of it in elevation is 95. So two heights are 45, 60, length is 95, and then we've got the heights of the steps are 15. So the banister, so 2 steps up, that's 30, okay, and then total height, the green there, and we're going to have heavy lines here on the right and left. Then on the right for the landing. Now, we can't do any more of the elevation, okay, without doing the plan. To get that sloped surface A in elevation, we have to find it as an edge in plan. So we're going to drop all the points from elevation down to plan. Going to drop down 10 from the XY line. And then the width of the object in plan, okay, is 90 width, and then before the banister starts sloping, it's 25. Okay, and then we have the 3 steps, okay, and the first step is in 15 from the banister. So in 15 back from the front of the banister there in plan. So that's 15 up. And then the steps then are in line. These two are both 25 in width, the top one and the middle one. Then the plan view, okay, the 60 degrees, I'm going to start now, alright, or it's 30 degrees from that edge, which is 60 degrees to the t-square. So we're going to start from here, and then I can start heading in the lines. Then we have the plan view done, and we can bring the points from plan up to elevation. So this is what it's going to look like. So that's in plan, and this is what it's going to look like in elevation. We have 2 slopes on it, or 2 cuts on it, two cuts. So that's the elevation and plan completed. So the next part of the question here, we have to draw an auxiliary elevation of the structure projected from the plan, which will include the true shape of surface A. So we need to look perpendicular to this surface A. So when we look perpendicular to surface A, okay, we're going to see the true shape of surface A. Now, it's going to be projected from plan, and the heights remain the same as elevation. And the projection lines from plan, okay, have to make a right angle with the edge U of the surface. they need to make a 90-degree angle with the edge of the surface. So I'm going to start by doing all my projection lines. So I'm going to draw this surface A in my auxiliary. Now the heights remain the same as they are in elevation. So I'm going to take the heights of the surface from elevation. I'll find them in plan. Okay, I'll find the points in plan and then bring them over to my auxiliary elevation on my sheet, and I'll label all the points. I'm going to take my compass, and 6 is on the XY line in elevation, so 6 is on the X1 Y1 line here. So I'm going to put my compass on the XY line. Okay, just underneath 1. Take the height of 1. I can follow this over here and mark 1. That's one way of doing it. Or I can realise, okay, the heights from elevation are 15, 15, 15 and 60, so I can mark those heights along here. And I can draw the heights parallel to the X1 Y1 line. So that's point number 1. Then point number 5. So I'm going to follow 5. Okay, the height hits the height of 15, and then 2 is directly above it. Okay, and then 4 is at the same height as 2. So there's point 4, and then point 3 is there. Okay, and then I'm going to connect 1, 6, 5, 2, 4. Finally then, point F, the line from point F is hidden detail, as I'll show you that in SOLIDWORKS. That's it, hidden detail, and I actually do have one more to do.